Namaskar, welcome back to my channel. I hope আপোনালোক সকলো ভালে আছে and as you have read the title so you know what this video is going to be. Yes, I'm going to be sharing with you my new haul and basically ever clothing item eku nai and these are makeup, skincare and hair care products. So it's a collective haul basically. Flipkart, Amazon and Nykaa ei tinta website opa moi loisilu and yeah, without wasting more time, let's start the video. Let's start my haul and I'm really excited to share this with you. So my first Flipkart opa start korim. So the first product is this one, MCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Wash, and I'm sure you have heard about this brand and bahut review videos you definitely dekhise. And if you guys remember this, I used to use that Mamaearth Uptan face wash. One of my previous videos on moi hetu mention korisilu, but lockdown hoar loge loge moi order koribo parasilo hek hoi thakile to full 1 month mane moi without face wash e asilu. Then jetia essential khini supply dibole start korile moi bhabilu face wash eta to definitely lagibo, but this time I switched to this one. Okay, I just want to mention one thing. I personally really like this one and it's SLS free, paraben free and vegan free also, so which is good. It's an Indian brand, so definitely nizar Indian brand boroko promote koribo lage. Ar jehetu jano face wash definitely dorkar poribo, so I got two. So the packaging looks like this, bahut finishing and all very nice and it looks really expensive and sophisticated. So basically face wash moi duta order koilo because jehetu dorkar poriboi. I'm currently using this one, so etu hek hole etu Flipkart or first product hoise face wash. Next product is this again MCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. Aro jehetu eke packaging to actually enekoi dekhibole just etu face scrub hoy and combinedly tinta bostu kinisilu, face wash, face scrub and one more thing is this MCaffeine Coffee Body Scrub. This one looks like this. एकदम कॉफी निसना गुंधा है और बहुत ভাল লাগে and also let me tell you जोंतो फेस वॉश হয় actually हेतु जेल कंसिस्टेंसी হয় and it's not a foaming face wash, so গটিকে বেছি মুখখন ধুনা বেছি ফেন বা হে ফোম খিনি নুলাই, but আপোনাৰ যিখিনি ফেসৰ এক্সেস অয়েল থাকে বা ডাৰ্ট খিনি আছে ডেফিনেটলি ভালকে এবোৰ সাফা কৰে আৰু কিন্তু আপোনাৰ মুখৰ ফেসৰ যোনটো ময়শ্চাৰ থাকে হেতু কেতিয়াও লৈ না যায়। আৰু এই বডি স্ক্ৰাবটো মই ইউজ কৰিছো অলৰেডি, ইয়াৰ লগতে এনেকুৱা এটা দিয়ে আৰু এই বডি স্ক্ৰাবটো মই ইউজ কৰি একচুয়ালি ভাল পাইছো। আপুনি ভাল গুটি আপোনাৰ স্ক্ৰাব বডিত আপুনি ভালসে ইউজ কৰিব পাৰে and after that আপোনাৰ গুটি স্কিনটো বহুত স্মুথ ফিল এটা আহে আৰু যেহেতু কফি গটিকে ডেফিনেটলি আপুনি স্মেলটো ভাল পাব and যিখিনি প্ৰাইস এন্ড ডিটেইলছ খিনি আছে মই ডেফিনেটলি দি দিম, ডোন্ট ওয়াৰি। সো ফ্লিপকাৰ্টৰ প্ৰথম তিনটা বস্তু এইগিটা and let's move on to the next product. Next product টো হৈছে the Beauty & Co Aloe Vera Facial Mist. আপোনালোকৰ যদি মনত আছে মোৰ পুৰণা ভিডিওজটো মই ডেফিনেটলি এটো কথা মেনশন কৰিছো, মোৰ আগৰ বটলটো হেক হৈ গল, that's why I got this one and after face wash মই সদায় এটো বস্তু ইউজ কৰো, so I really like this one. Hydrating controls aging, 100 ml ৰ হয়, আপোনালোকে যদি বিচাৰে ট্ৰাই কৰি চাব পাৰে because it's really good. So this is the second product. Now let's move on to the next products. So eto hoise Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. I'm sure আপোনালোকে এটো কথা ডেফিনেটলি শুনিছে, ইয়াত সেট অফ 6 আছিল, মই এটা কৰবাত আছে চাগে মই ইউজ কৰি চাইছিলো, কৰবাত হুমাই আছে, বাট মই ডেফিনেটলি ইয়াৰ swatches and নামখিনি মই ডেফিনেটলি মেনশন কৰিম বাৰু, ডোন্ট ওয়াৰি। সো দেখিবলৈ এবোৰ এনেকুৱা, but I have to tell you I didn't like the packaging at all because যেতিয়া ওয়েবসাইটত চাইছিলো তাত এটা ধুনিয়াছে কাৰ্ডবোৰ্ডত মানে ধুনিয়াছে বক্সত আছিল, বাট যেতিয়া আহিছিল জাস্ট প্লাষ্টিক ৰেপাৰতে আহিছে। সো I don't know কি হল, I think it depends on the seller as well. So seller jeneke pothaise maybe teneko because the various sellers thake na, so hetu hisapot mane packaging to bhal na palo, but otherwise ebur actually bhal hoy aru I think 600 or something kibata loisle moi definitely add korim and আপোনালোকে যদি এইটো আইশ্যাডো ট্ৰাই কৰি চাব পাৰে ডেফিনেটলি কৰিব পাৰে। আপোনালোকে সিঙ্গেল এটা পিস ললিও হয়, মই 6টা কিনিছো, বাট আপোনালোকে যদি বিচাৰে এটা পিস কিনিবও পাৰে আপোনালোকৰ নিজৰ চয়েস কালাৰৰ। These are all from Flipkart and baki duta product hoise duta lipstick, matte lipstick from Lakme. It's a Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. So So this one is brown espresso and this one is nude twist. Ekdom etu eta dhuniya nude color hoy. Moi jalke actually try kora nai etu. So next product to A2. I think more Flipkart or ekhini bostu asile. Now let's move on to Amazon. Amazon pa okol etai bostu kinisilo heita hoise shampoo. I don't know if you have ever heard of this brand or not. It's Omio Arnica shampoo. So ekalogote duta order korisilo because ekalogote he duta bostu. So the retail price of this one is 160 rupees. Actually etu homeopathy shampoo hoy. And it's SLS free and paraben free, which is really good. And I personally use kori bhal paisu, but I don't know whether I should recommend this to you or not because jeetu bostu mor upor work kore because amar sobore hair texture and all hebur beleg thake. So it's not necessary ki apunar upor to work koribone nokore, but apunalke jodi try kori sabo bisare yar eta smaller packet to pai eta hor bottle to pabo which is for ₹90. Actually moi hetu first use korisilo aru tar pa bhal loga karone moi etu order korilu. So it's Omio Arnica shampoo, paraben free, SLS free with benefits of Thuja and Calendula for all hair types, gentle cleansing and reduces hair fall. So I personally really like this, that's why I got this too. So Amazon pa ako shampoo order korisilo ei duta. Now let's move on to Nykaa, and I'm really excited for this because the best part about this haul is that I've got free products too. That's why I'm really excited. And yare kisuman bostu ma already use korisu. I always knew that before you do your makeup, you should apply primer on your face. But I have never got one before. But finally, I got this one from Nykaa. And it's the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. This one looks like this. And I just want to mention one thing. Like when I applied this on the first time, it felt really weird. Mane ketio primer enike use kora nai jete use korse enokwa lise jen kiba plastic eta layer jen face ot disu. But tarpisot jete moi makeup to korilu, I have to tell you, I actually felt the difference. It actually creates a layer between your face and your makeup. Moi primer to use kora pisot jete makeup to korilu, I feel like jen moi he makeup to moi skin or apply kora nai jen hetu layer or apply korisu. So I think it really works. And yeah, this one is for ₹499. Kintu kiba kibi offer asile sage jehetu moi screen or diye dim asol price to. So this is the first product. And the next one is Maybelline New York New Clean Express Total Clean. It's a makeup remover basically. 70 ml hoy. Aru agote moi Garnier micellar water to use korisilu, but hetu waterproof makeup or karone nasile. So moi bhabilu ebar try kori sao beleg eta. And the retail price of this one is 310 rupees. Jekhini mur waterproof mascara thake hebur mane he micellar water to edi joan asile ba moi pasar extra ke coconut oil di use koribo lagia hoisile. So he karone moi etu kinilu and ebar use korisu baru ghor anar pisot and actually come kore. So I think it's worth it. 310 rupees, and apunalke definitely try kori sabo pare jodi bisare. Yeah, this is the second one. And next one is Matrix Biolage Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Serum. So more already serum hek hoi goisile agor juntu asile moi agor Strix to use korisilo, but this time I got this one. Moi jelke etu use kora nai. It's for ₹295, but definitely yar moi good reviews paisu, bhal reviews paisu, hekarone bhabilu lo. So moi definitely apunalko update korim kenuka paisu use kori. But yeah, this is the third product. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is it's this really cute lip balm. This is the macaron lip balm. It looks really cute actually. It's in mint flavor. Aru gundha to actually he mint flavor to definitely pai. Moi ejalke etu use kora nai. Uni lipstick use kori lahe lips pur darker hoi aise, so bhabile eta lip bhal lip balm eta lo. So actually etu dekhilu so bahut bhal lagile, so I thought let's give it a try. Moi ejalke use kora nai, but definitely apunalko update korim. And the packaging looks really cute. Apunalke definitely various flavors pai jabo ba various colors ot pai jabo, but moi ei color to bhal lagile, so I got this one. And I don't remember the price, jeto mention kori me. And yeah, this is the next product. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. It's a brush, and it's a fan brush. I really wanted to get this one for so long, and finally I've got one. It's from Nykaa only. They have their own makeup brushes as well. I just ane ebar use kori saisilu jetia first ahisile, brush to actually बहुत soft होय and looks wise it's really good and अपने skin तो बहुत भाल soft feel आता है. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one because मैं बहुत दिनों पर fan brush जेटु लबो खुजी आছিলে and finally एटा লৈ ললো. So this is the next product. And let's move on to the next one. It's from MCaffeine again, but this time I've got a face serum. And बहुत दिनों पर face serum एटा लम भाबी आছিলো and Mamaearthৰো চাইছিলো, but যেহেতু ইমানখিনি MCaffeine বস্তু কিনে আছে সো ভাবিলে MCaffeine face serum এটা অৰ্ডাৰ কৰো. This is the MCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Serum and মই এটো product actually use কৰি আছো. The retail price of this one is 645 rupees and I have to tell you it's my favorite one and oh my god, smell. I can't really tell you how much I love this one. Caramel plus coffee into mixture hoy teneka gundho ahe and your net quantity to hoise 40 ml, but it's so worth it because apuni jete try koribo apuni moi definitely to recommend korim apunalike try kori sabo pare jodi apunalike face serum lom boli bhabi ase. So this is the next product. Let's move on to the next product. So next one is this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. My shade is 25 medium and it goes well with my skin tone and I really like this one. And let me tell you more detail ke under eye ba dark circle or hetu iman problem hoy nai, but still I thought chalo ek baar try karte hain. And super blendable as well. I'm going to show you. See this? As you can see, it's super blendable. Apunar kiba jodi dark spots thake ba kiba marks thake apuni definitely etur upor hide koribo paribo. So this is my next product. And yeah, more almost haul khatame hobole hol and ekhini jekhini bostu moi nijor poisa definitely order korislu, but I'm really excited to share this too because ebur actually moi free products paisu and I'm really happy with this too because products in actually bahut bhal hoy. So the first one is this MCaffeine Naked hand cream and I have never tried any hand cream before. Etilke open ei kora nai, as you can see. I don't know how this one looks like because etilke moi open korao nai ba ebaru try kora nai. Anyways, the retail price of this one is 325, which is, and obviously apuni 325 jetia apuni spend kora definitely gat lage, but jitu bostu free ke pai, you feel good about it. This looks really cute. It's like mini face wash version, but it's a hand cream. Okay, this one looks like this. It has a really mild fragrance and let's try this one. It feels really smooth and nice. Yay, I'm so happy. The free ta hand cream pai golu taku MCaffeine. So this is my first free product and the next one is it's Alice plus Olivia and Maybelline New York's mascara. I have already got one mascara before. Jeto eto free ta paisu, so I can't say no, right? Eto Alice and Olivia basically it's a clothing brand, so hiate Maybelline er logot collaborate kori ei mascara to banaise and packaging is really nice and the retail price of this one is 475. Like, come on, look at this beauty. It looks really nice and expensive looking. It's the hyper curl mascara, but it's a waterproof one. Let me show you the bristles. Can you see this? Come on, free mascara and free hand cream. It's like a successful haul for me. So these are all my products and yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase because ebar jikhini bostu order korisilo gutekhini upor olop research kori order korisilo, he karone olop invest korteo bhabi mili invest korisu and I hope you will enjoy this haul and apunalike jodi definitely jodi yar bhitor kiba lobo pare definitely moi description box or links khini di dim ba screen at gutekhini details di dim, you don't worry. So that's all about this video and I hope you will enjoy this video and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.